It's a place where we are sharing all that what is possible from our institute. So in this process, many of our team members in the institute started working on disinfection, novel methods of creating masks.
Way back in March 2020, we were facing problems of shortage and non-availability of protective gears like masks, chemicals like hypochlorite and alcohol-based sanitizers for COVID-19 management. So to address this problem of shortage of chemicals and commodities, we developed cloth-based reusable masks, hypochlorite-based chemicals, alcohol-based sanitizer, facilitated electrochlorination and photochlorination systems. 3 technologies have been transferred to Rudraksh Chemicals.
In the market, no masks were available. 3-ply masks were very costly. Their availability was an issue. We being an environmental institute, we are very much worried about disposal of these masks which are available in the market. That creates a lot of waste, and we can reduce this waste by this reusable cloth mask.
आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी होती है. इस एक्टिविटी में हैंडलूम को प्रमोट करने का काम हुआ, ज़रूरतमंद महिलाओं को रोजगार देने का काम हुआ और हमको मास्क मिलने लगे जिससे हम डायरेक्ट सोसाइटी को वो देने लगे.
CSIR NIRI has made large quantity of alcohol-based hand rub sanitizers based on WHO standards. Since March 2020, NIRI has prepared around 1200 to 1500 liters of sanitizer and distributed to NIRI staff, NIRI dispensary, government hospitals, some police stations and some NGO organizations of Nagpur.
We ventured into developing an advancement in the reusable masks which were developed by us. We are inserting a treated cloth or a treated tissue. It has achieved the targeted efficiency of 95% particulate filtration efficiency as well as bacterial and viral inactivation.
Sodium hypochlorite solution can be used as a very effective disinfectant. Prepared with the brine water pumped into the electrolyzer, and we are getting 300 liters per day. CSIR NIRI's disinfectant is having very high disinfection efficacy.
Different types of method used for the preparation of this sodium hypochlorite, that is actually photochemical method, photoelectrochemical method, thermal method, and actually we in CSIR NIRI working on the photocatalysis system since last 10 years. So this system is already scaled at 25 liters per hour production.
In the category of solid disinfectant, we have developed 2 materials. One is alcohol and chlorine-free solid disinfectant. Similarly, we have developed functional peroxides which has increased the stability of hydrogen peroxide and can be used very easily. We are trying to develop decentralized systems for solar disinfection of solid waste, including cotton, tissue, as well as cloth-based masks. So the objective was disinfection of solid waste. We are now focusing on developing NIGs, that is negative ion generators.
We started preparing the GIS based maps for Maharashtra and India. Like Maharashtra is the most affected state for COVID pandemic. So we started the geospatial representation of COVID data.
All these activities was carried out by our team during the lockdown period. So I would like to thank them for working during that period and would also like to thank a director for supporting us and encouraging us.
This facility creation and helping out public also gave this confidence that CSR institutions and scientific community as such always rise to the occasion.